friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying healthy and crafty as well. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina and I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in joining me in this journey, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for your support. And in today's video, I have received comments, DMs via Instagram, emails from some of you requesting a video about what is inside my IKEA Alexs drawers. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what is inside my IKEA Alexs drawers. So I am here in front of the IKEA Alexs drawers. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this first one on the left and then the second one on the right. I definitely kept the same concept of housing some stickers in those plastic sleeves and putting like the mini containers or trays for knickknacks. So I'm gonna go ahead and come closer to show you the IKEA Kalax cabinet. So we're gonna go ahead and open the first drawer. And I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see what's inside. So as you can see, I have here like little flowers. Over here it's all the stars, hearts and bows, more little kits for cards, and in this section I have all the tassels and rosettes over here, kind of like sticky rosettes. And now let's go ahead and go to the second one. This is how I used to have it before, and I still keep things the same way. And let's see if I can come closer. So I have all my stickers categorized in these plastic sleeves. As you can see, this one is food. I have travel, girls, words and summer, and bows and hearts. And it's right now I moved summer and all these ones on top because, you know, we're getting close to summer, so I have to start crafting summer stuff, right? So that's my rationale of why I keep moving, you know, my stickers around. But it's an easy way of moving stuff. And then on the second cabinet, the same thing. I have mermaid, llamas, unicorns, Disney, birthday, birds, butterflies, and flowers. Let's open the fourth one. Let me see if you guys can see. I probably have to. Okay, so on the fourth one, I have the same, more stickers, babies. These are like some miscellaneous from Good Vibes from Great Paper. I have alphas there, and dogs, yeah, because I had a dog, and words. Now we're gonna probably come a little bit down. Just a moment. So now we are going to open the fifth drawer. In this drawer I have all the stuff that I have purchased or I have received from my crafty friends. It's not in like in a particular category, but like I have these unicorn, tiny little clothespins. Again, these little like plastic pouches. I bought it at Container Store, but for those who live in California, you guys have the 99 cents and you have Daiso, so you probably might get a better deal on that. So, and then more stuff from Rosie's Studios. You know, I just have things here and there, but Another one. These are some of the taggies that I received, and paper clips, embellishments. And here I have this paper that I'm planning to use someday, and it's Japanese, like for origami. So, and on this other big one, all the stuff that I have bought or received or have won in challenges, giveaways. So it's in this pouch. Now the last drawer, I have all the chipboard. Chipboard, I used to scrapbook a lot. I am, but not too much like before. So I have all these alphas, like, look at this one. Isn't this a beautiful chipboard? From K C and Company. So beautiful, right? And more chipboard. And as you can see, you know, you don't need to have enough money to store or find creative ways of storing your chipboard or loose chipboard. Like this one, this is like a plastic container that I repurposed, clean it, wash it. And normally in our supermarkets, this is where the herbs, fresh herbs, are contained or encased, I would say. So this was particularly probably basil. Of course, you know, you have to wash them really good and soak them and hand wash it, of course. And so it doesn't smell, and there you go. You just have a container. Now we're gonna go up again. So let's take a look at the first drawer. Here is all the plastic, plain and texture baggies, some of scrapbook sleeves, etc. So I can store all these plastic bags. And now the second drawer. Second drawer, I have embellishments, ephemera, mini little stickers, more for my the day-to-day Maggie Holmes, flowers, etc. And these containers, I recently discovered them at Target. They were selling like 2 or 3 for $2. So, and as you can see, they fit perfectly. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 of this size, then 2 of these ones, one mini one, and then another long one. So it's just perfect. So if you live in the States and if you have a Target around, just get hold of these. These will fit in your IKEA Alexs drawers. Now the third drawer, this is the chipboard. As you can see, I don't have that many chipboards. You know, I have like pool party crepe paper, some of the last year's crepe paper sunny days, and these are like, you know, things that I have gotten at Tuesday Morning, American Crafts, here and there. So these are my chipboard stickies. On this fourth drawer, I have kits. These are kits that I have purchased a couple of years ago. Like this one, I purchased this kit at a, there is a sort of a craft slash button thread store in New York City. I went there one time and I just saw this kit and I just have to buy it. And some of the things that I have bought at Tuesday Morning just to do vintage junk journal stuff. And then these are kits that we're memory keepers. That's the company. Oh, Making Memories. Yeah, we're memory keepers. And vintage again. Look at this kit. They used to sell these things anymore. Now you don't see that. It's like, I'm hoping that eventually things they will come up. Then more kits here from Seven Gypsies. I don't know if you guys remember, if you are scrapbookers, Seven Gypsies back in 2008. I would say 12 years ago, they used to sell kits like this. So yeah, so I have a couple of kits here and there, things that I had bought. This is from a kit that I bought from a scrapbook store in Savage, Maryland. Oh, and this one, it was a kit that I received from Crafty Kimchi. It's like how to do your shakers, so it's just perfect. Now the 5th drawers, these are all my cards. Yeah, I also make cards as well. So they are categorized by color. And over here I used to do ATC's cards. So again, 7 gypsies. And just more cards over here. And then the last one, more cards and tags, like pre-made store-bought tags. Thank you cards, more 7 gypsies ATCs, and more taggies here and there, and then more cards as well. Yeah, so that was it. That was the tour of inside of my IKEA Alexs drawers. And if you want to check my craft room tour, I will leave the link of the video in the description box below. And again, if you like my video and you just wanted to stop by and say hi, please do so. You can just click the subscribe button and to tap the bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for your support. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.